Now I want to show you when you're in your TikTok and you see I'm just starting out, when you click on me and you click on the red button in the middle, edit profile, it's going to take you to your profile. And then the very first thing after you set up your account, you want to set up your screen name. The screen name should be a couple of things. It should be short. Mine is not short. I'll explain that why I'm doing that in a second. But yours should be relatively short, easy to spell, easy to say, easy to remember, or catchy, or funny, or on brand. Okay, so if you're music, you see mine is Alex Ganadinik Music. If you're humor, it should be comedy, or something that people will know immediately from your account that, hey, you're serious about pursuing that thing that you're on brand about. If you don't have a brand, if there's no theme, leave the theme out, but short and catchy. Now, why is mine so long? Alex Ganadinik Music, and my last name is impossible to spell. The reason it's like that is that my name, Alex Ganadinik, I'm not so known, but it is relatively known. I have a large profile online. I have millions of people who know this name. And I have a big YouTube following and Udemy following and so on and so on. So actually, the most recognized thing about personally me is my name. So that's why when people look me up, they will look me up especially by my name, because my name, I've been building an online profiles for like the last 10 years. And even though my last name is so brutal, a lot of people have gotten used to that last name and they know it. So that's my screen name. And now you know how to set up yours. Just a reminder, the guideline for you is as many of these as possible, accomplish them in your screen name. Short, on brand, catchy, funny, easy to spell, easy to say, easy to remember. Because sure, a lot of people are going to click on it, so there's no need for them to spell it. But sometimes you will tell people, hey guys, follow me on TikTok, I'm ABC. Now, if you're ABC, nobody will forget that. But if you're a long, like ABC 123 XYZ, okay, then people will have a harder time remembering that. So in your case, you would just change yours. When you set it up, it will let you edit it. You see in very small text here, you can change your username only once every 30 days. So think very hard about it, because you're not going to be able to change it for a while. And then when you make it, post it here, and you'll have your screen name, which is one of the very important things, because then once you have your screen name, you can start promoting your account elsewhere on other social medias, on other platforms. So that's your screen name. It's the first thing you set up after you create your account.